Let me guess. You searched how to start HTML and CSS, and suddenly you're drowning in frameworks, build tools, and someone yelling, just use Tailwind. Here's the real problem. Most beginners don't fail because HTML is hard. They fail because the setup is confusing, bloated, and outdated. So in this video, I'm giving you the only HTML and CSS setup you actually need in 2026. No frameworks, no build tools, no nonsense. By the end, you'll understand what every file does, why browsers behave the way they do, and you'll have a setup that scales all the way to a professional portfolio. Let's build the web the right way, from zero. First rule of modern web development: if you're not using VS Code, you're making life harder than it needs to be. It's free, fast, and it's the industry standard, from solo developers to massive engineering teams. Now, one 2026 upgrade you should know about: AI coding assistants. Tools like GitHub Copilot or Cursor aren't here to replace you. They're here to remove friction. Think of AI like autocomplete on steroids. You still think, you still decide. The AI just removes the boring parts. Quick warning though, if you don't understand what the AI suggests, don't accept it. Learning always beats speed. Let's create your first real web page. Create a new folder and name it something simple. Inside it, create a file called index.html. That file name matters. Every browser on Earth treats index.html as the default entry point of a website. That's not tradition. That's how the web works. Now type this line. This tells the browser we're using modern HTML standards. Without it, browsers can fall into something called quirks mode, and quirks mode breaks layouts in weird, unpredictable ways. Next, open the HTML tag and set the language. This isn't just for you. It's for screen readers, search engines, and accessibility tools. Clean HTML is already an unfair advantage. And if this is already clearer than other tutorials you've watched, subscribe. This entire course is built to remove confusion, not add to it. Inside every HTML document, there are two worlds: the head and the body. Here's the easiest way to remember it. The head is for machines. The body is for humans. In the head, we start with this. This prevents text from breaking when users type emojis, accented letters, or non-English characters. Next, this one is non-negotiable in 2026. Without this, your website will look broken on mobile devices. Then we add a title. That title isn't decoration. It's what shows up in browser tabs, bookmarks, and search results. This is already SEO, whether people tell you that or not. Now let's install Live Server. This is where everything clicks. With Live Server running, every time you save your file, the browser updates instantly. No refreshing, no guessing. This feedback loop is how professionals move fast without breaking things. Once you experience this, you'll never go back. At this point, if you want to move faster later, I've added a clean takeaway summary and copy-ready code snippets in the description. Use them. They'll save you time. Quick SEO truth most people won't tell you. Google doesn't rank frameworks, it ranks clean HTML. Add a meta description. This controls what appears under your link in search results. Better structure equals better clicks. HTML done right is a skill most developers skip. You won't. Here's your challenge, and don't skip it. Change the page title, add your name inside the body, and write a meta description about you. If you can do that without Googling, you're officially started. Today, you learned how to set up HTML the right way, what HTML actually does, and why browsers behave the way they do. This foundation is why everything else in this course will feel easier. Before you move on, take the quiz in the description. It locks this knowledge into long-term memory. And tell me in the comments, did you already know what DOCTYPE HTML actually does? If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone starting from zero. And I'll see you in episode 2, where we stop abusing div.